Question number 1. Did you know that the tongue of a blue whale can weigh as much as an elephant? That's right. The tongue of a blue whale can weigh up to 4 tons. Question number 2. Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? These colorful birds are not only beautiful, but also have a unique name for their groups. Question number 3. Did you know that a group of crows is called a murder? These intelligent birds have a rather ominous-sounding collective noun. Question number 4. Did you know that a shrimp's heart is located in its head? It may sound strange, but it's true. Shrimps have their hearts in a rather unexpected place. And finally, question number 5. Did you know that a snail can sleep for 3 years?